Good question. It's a question that we have so many times. So Fitness Pilates is for qualified fitness professionals or dance teachers or any movement specialist who has a formal qualification and insurance. You can access the Fitness Pilates. And Fitness Pilates is like a fitness class. So it has a warm-up mobility. It focuses on the classical exercises of Pilates, but it modifies them so it's more suitable for group fitness. It's not for anybody that has seriously diagnosed back problems or postural problems. It's for your general healthy adult. Now, level 3 is the full level 3 mat work diploma. Anyone can jump onto this course. It's a big qualification, so if you have no prior experience or you've never taught any kind of fitness class, then the level 3 is for you. I would advise that it's helpful to attend as many different Pilates classes as you possibly can, all different styles, and get a feel for the mat work exercises and the classical exercises, and then you'll be able to go and do the full qualification. So you will have pre-learning, which is about 30 hours of pre-learning, and then you'll go on the 3 days, so 3 contact days, which are pretty intense, but they're great. They're so positive and filled with great information. And on the second day, you'll sit your exam. So it's all there on those contact days, and then you'll go away and then you'll put together your portfolio and you'll film yourself teaching a Pilates class, and that's the full level 3 qualification. So that's for anyone that has no prior qualifications, or if you're a fitness professional and you want to do that full qualification, then that would be the route for you.